This question, the statement 4 rods of equal weights small w form a rhombus ABCD with smooth hinges at the joint. The frame is suspended by the point A and weight capital W is attached to C lowest point. A stiffening rod of the negligible weight joins the middle point of AB and AD, keeping these inclined at alpha to AC, so that the thrust in the stiffening rod is 2W plus 4 small w into tan alpha. Students, first of all, we trace its figure, and after it we explain about it. Stiffening rod. Suppose T be thrust in the stiffening rod EF. We write about this figure. Let ABCD be a rhombus made by 4 equal rods, each weight W and length 2A. Suspended at EF is stiffening rod and M is the middle point of EF. Let P be thrust in this rod. We find out two values in the topics principle of virtual work, the position of weights from the point of suspension and thrust where it applied, and a weight W attached at lowest point C. We find out two values: distance of the weights from the point of suspension. The weights 4W acting at O, distance O from A, OA or AO. In the triangle BAD, triangle BAD, BAO, AO equals to AB cos alpha, where alpha is the angle of rods AB and AD to AC to A cos alpha, and AC equals to 2AO 2 into 2A cos alpha 4A cos alpha, and length of stepping rod EF, we can write EF equals to 2EM. In the triangle EAM, EM is perpendicular, AE hypotenuse, AM base, EM AE, EM equals to AE sin alpha, or A means A. Because length of AB equals to 2A and E is the middle point of AB, AB equals to 2A and E is the middle point of AB, therefore AE equals to A, 2A sin alpha. Applying the principle of virtual work. Principle of virtual work. Applying principle of virtual work. The formula is that thrust T delta EF, thrust applied in string free rod EF, so we can write T into delta EF plus total weight 4W of the rods acting at O, whose distance from the point of suspension A is 4 small w delta AO, and total and weight capital W attached at the lowest point, whose distance from A AC W into delta AC. Putting the values of EF, AO and AC. EF 2A sin alpha, 4W delta AO, AO 2A cos alpha, W delta AC 4A cos alpha. Here delta means differential, T into 2A cos alpha delta alpha plus 4W minus 2A sin alpha delta alpha plus W into minus 4A sin alpha into delta alpha, dividing by delta alpha, and we get 2A cos alpha equals to 2A 8A W sin alpha plus 4A capital W sin alpha, dividing by 2A cos alpha, T equals to 4 2 जा 8, 2 W 4 small w into sin alpha upon cos alpha means tan alpha. That's the thrust in this rod. Again we explain. Suppose ABCD is a framework, means a rhombus made by 4 equal rods. Sorry, AB, BC, CD and DA are 4 rods, equal rods. Suppose length 2a and weight small w to be given in this question. Suspended at point A, total weight acting at the middle point of the diagonals AC and BD. A stiffing rod EF, suppose EF is stiffing rod acting at the middle point AB and AD. M is the middle point of EF, and let us suppose T be the thrust in this rod, stiffing rod. Weight capital W attached at the lowest point C. Alpha is the angle of the rods AB and AD to the vertical AC. In this in the question of principle of virtual work, there are 2 points only. We can use distance of weights from the point of suspension and tension of thrust. Where tension of thrust, that distance may be find out. The distance of weight 4W from A is AO. AO equals to AB cos alpha, AB cos alpha in the triangle OAB. OA, AB cos alpha, AB equals to 2A cos alpha. AC, AC means double of OA, 2 into 2A cos alpha, 4A cos alpha. EF, we can write 2EM. M is the middle point of EF. EM means AE triangle EAM. EM equals to AE sin alpha, 2A sin alpha. That is the principle of virtual work. Always you can understand this formula and apply this formula. Only 2 points. We concentrate only 2 points: tension, thrust, and tension, thrust and weights. Tension or thrust. There is thrust in this stiffing rod EF. T into delta EF. Total weight 4W is counted from A. 4W into delta AO, and next weight capital W. Distance counted from A, capital W in delta AC. Putting these values EF, AO, AC, and delta means differential. Differential of sin alpha means cos alpha delta alpha. Differential of cos alpha minus sin alpha delta alpha. Differential cos alpha this, and solving we obtain T equals to 2W plus 4 small w into tan alpha. That's all, students. Okay, thanks.